So in this template, I'm trying to create something that resembles melodic house. I'm also just using free VSTs in this template and sounds that come pre-installed with Ableton Live 10 or available as packs on the Ableton website. So this project doesn't need any additional paid plugins, and you will find links to everything you need under the video below. Let's take a listen to some of the parts, and then we are going on with a track breakdown. So here's the start. And the synth comes in here. Then we have kind of a break here. Then we have the main part here. Some variation. And some outro, kind of thing. So the first track here is a sidechain track where I just have a kick playing, and it's just going to be a sidechain track. Usually I just use LFO tool for this nowadays, but this works as well. The second track is the drum kit. You can download it from Ableton's website directly. It's called Clubber Kit, and the kit contains different samples and also some macro controls for controlling filter, overdrive, compression. You have reverb here and some EQing as well. But in this track, I'm automating the filter control on this drum kit just to give it a little bit tension. And I can show you that here. And you can see there that I have automated the filter on the drum kit here. So if we just play this. Gives it a little bit tension, and I think it's just a neat, cool little trick. Then we have the bass track, and the bass track is being played by the free awesome VST called Addon 2. It looks like this. Really nice sounding VST. If we take a look at the automation here on bass, I have actually done something I thought was a little bit fun, but I have done some manual sidechain, added a utility plugin on the track here on the bass, and I'm automating the gain knob just to kind of simulate sidechain sound, just to give it some uniqueness and try to not have it so repetitive. It kind of sounds like this. And you can see on the gain knob here, you see some movement on that. So you can use an LFO tool, you can use the sidechain track here as well, and you can draw in sidechain volume. It's basically volume automation. It's just fun to do something different, I think. In the next track here, we have a drone playing using another fantastic free VST called Surge XT. This VST looks like this. This plugin comes packed with presets, and if you like to program your own sounds as well, it's safe to say you have a lot of options here. And in this track, at least, I'm only automating the cutoff, but you could also automate other things as well. And you know, the possibilities are endless for this synthesizer, and it's a free open source. I'm not sure if it's open source, but at least it's a free synthesizer, and it's really awesome, and it sounds great. So the drone is being played by that synthesizer. you could automate other controls as well, just to give it some interest. So here's a suggestion. You can have a lot of fun with it, and it's free. It's really cool. The main melody is also being played by using the Surge XT VST. It's nothing special in terms of effects or other things here. It's just a patch I've used called Happy here. I think I did some adjustments to it, but I don't really remember what it was. And some kind of automation then, as you can see here. And all of the effects and delay and everything you hear here are included in the synthesizer here, so I'm not using any external effects or anything on this. And then we have the Melody add-on track, and that's been played by another, free VST called Tal Noise Maker. It's a simple VST, and it's really great to start with if you're going to learn synthesis. It sounds pretty good, and let's take a listen to it. In addition, here I have a effect called delay, and this is also a free VST, and this is a really good sounding delay with a lot of different type of options here. You can make it a reverb, for example. You can make it just a simple delay. You also have a lot of options to shape the delay sound there. You can give it some distortion here. You have different types of distortion. You have different types of modes, so you can kind of make it a delay, something like Valhalla delays. You have some kind of reverb sound here, chaos, just sounds like chaos. It's an awesome plugin. It's an awesome delay plugin, and it's free. You could also use something called Valhalla Supermassive. That's also a free a reverb plugin that I often use. So we can't have any tracks from me without any influences from the Moog I have behind me here. So I recorded a drone sound with the Moog synthesizer, and it's of course included in the project download. And it sounds like this. And this is a heavy sound, so as you can see here, I have done some really heavy cutting on the EQ, taking off a lot of the low end and actually a lot of the lower middle as well. And underneath the Moog track you have the MIDI here, so if you want to replace it with something else, if you want to replace it with Diva or some other plugin, you can do that as well. On the master fader I'm using the aggressive dance master preset in Ableton Live, and before that I am actually doing some extra EQing, shaving off some of the low end. The utility plugin, it's there to filter all frequencies under 150 Hz. And just set them to mono. Also give the track a little bit extra stereo width and some gain here, so that the limiter on the end here have something to work with. But I'm not overdoing it, because this limiter it's not a fab filter limiter, but it's okay. So that's basically this small track. I have focused on trying to get each track sound as good as possible, as opposed to layering a lot of tracks here. The track is available for download, and you need Ableton Live 10 to be able to run it. And also the free VSTs where you can download, where I have links to them in the description below. Do you like videos in this format? Let me know by a like or subscribe. And if you have any requests of potential other videos, you can write them in the comment box below. Lastly, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.